That's when you find a lot of people lying to each other, telling each other, I love you too, because you want action. You are obliged.
You
feel like you need to say that. You need to promise the universe and the earth in order to get action. And nah, that's not right. You gotta lie.
How often?
Lie. You just, I need action. I gotta love this person.
No. It's not like that.
Yeah.
Like I've said, I've been too selfless, meaning I've been too much into emotions, which means I've fell in love so many times. So I've never really lied.
Yeah.
But then I fell in love to get action.
So the action was the main goal.
It's the main event, not the main goal.
The main event.
It's the main event, not the main goal. It's what's there. Like it's
that's why a lot of relationships are fucked up.
It's what's come with.
What happens when now you get the action and then you're not satisfied with the action? You've already lied. How do you get out of that?